Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today we're going to display the most viewed posts section on the homepage using MetaBox only. The section displays like this. I'll take the restaurant as a demo for this practice. Like in the previous tutorials, we have the same information about restaurants, including the restaurant's name, address, featured image, logo, and voucher. This information is saved in the post type named restaurants. And extra information such as address, voucher, and logo will be saved in the custom fields. In addition, these restaurants are the most viewed ones on the website. To have the most views number of each post, we'll use a third-party plugin to count the posts viewed. To create a custom post type and custom fields, we have MetaBox here. Furthermore, we'll need some advanced features of MetaBox. So you can install its extensions individually or use MetaBox AIO to have the following extensions. MB Custom Post Type helps to create custom post types. MB Views help us create a template for the most viewed post section. And MetaBox Builder has a UI on the back end to create custom fields easily. Finally, as we said before, we'll use a third-party plugin. It's a post views counter plugin. The name says it all. This aim is to count the post views. Moreover, we'll use Gutenberg only. But in case you use any page builder, you can also follow this tutorial. First, create a post type for the restaurant. Each restaurant has extra information, so we'll create custom fields to save them. Here are the examples that we do with the information, namely address, logo, and voucher. After creating all the custom fields, go to the Settings tab and choose Location as Post Type and select Restaurant to apply these fields to this post type. Back to the post editor, you will see all of the newly created custom fields. Then just fill in the information. Normally in the post listing in the backend, you only see the post title, the date, and nothing else. In this practice, I'll add a column of information about the posts view here. Now, go to the settings of the post views counter and tick the box of the post type you want to count the posts view. In this case, it's the restaurant. Then, back to the list of posts, and you will see this column appear. It is the number of the posts view. Based on this number, we'll choose which one is the most view and display it on the section. In this video, I'll use MB Views, an extension of MetaBox, to create a template for this section. Whether you use page builders or not, you can still create templates in this way. Go to View in the MetaBox and create a new template. In this box, we'll add some code to display the restaurant's information. This line of code is to declare the args variable to get all the posts from the restaurant's post type. To set the condition to choose which post will display, we'll add some attributes to this variable. To limit the number of posts, insert an attribute like this. You can change this number to any number you want. Next, add this attribute to set the order of the post by the posts view. It's the number counted by the post views counter plugin as I set in the previous step. This is to sort these posts in order from the most viewed posts to the fewer viewed posts. With these attributes, we'll take the 6 posts with the most views. This is to declare the post variable to admit the return value of the args variable. Now let's add a loop for the post. Inside this loop, add fields to display the information. First, add the post thumbnail field to display the restaurant's image. Then choose a size for the image. We just need to insert each field in turn that we want to get information. It includes the default fields such as post thumbnail like we just got above, or post title, or even custom fields like address, logo, and voucher. We have finished getting all the restaurant information that we want to display in the most viewed post section. Move to the settings section and set the type of this view as shortcode. After publishing, you'll see a shortcode here. Just copy and paste it to any page you want to display this section. As I said before, whether we use page builders like Elementor, Brick Builder, Zion Builder, or not, with MB views and using the shortcode like this, we just need to paste the shortcode into a section on the homepage. Now, I'm doing with Gutenberg. Add the shortcode block to any section on the homepage, and paste the shortcode of the MB views that we have just generated here. On the homepage, you'll see the information of the most viewed restaurants. Our next step is just to style this section. If you use other page builders, you will do the same. With Elementor, we also add a shortcode element and paste our shortcode into the box. We got the same result. Back to the view. Before styling the section, add some div tag into this template like this. Then go to the CSS tab and add some code. This code is available on GitHub, so you can refer to it for more details. Then you'll see a new look of the section. No matter what the page builder you use, you'll see the new appearance. Here are the results when I did it with another page builder, like Elementor, Brick Builder, and Zion Builder. That's all for the tutorial today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.